How
Right, it's protect me, like.
how to fix a broken Xbox?
Oh, man, what the fuck? No, no.
Put the game in there.
Game is cracked and all.
Try it again then.
It's fucked now, now.
Pull it up and open tray. Yeah, you gotta do it by hand.
Oh my god. I don't want to walk out now.
Get on there!
Why do you forsake me, like? Why do you forsake me?
Open tray.
You want to work? That's work.
Work then you. Oh.
No! 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 No!
Yeah, give me a go. I know how to work it.
Yeah, that's working on it. You break it, you bind it.
I think it's broken.
Well, I can't tell me there's nothing there.
Hang on, the power works.
It's red light flashing. Oh, fuck.
Proper fork.
Lord. Lord, I said. Red light.
Red light.
Gone.
Proper fork.
So I want to buy an Xbox. This is bullshit, Charlie. You broke an Xbox. What do you want? No, man.
The tray is stuck. You need some persuasion. Hang on. Give it a push.
Positive. Positive.
It's proper fucked. And the leaves are in it.
There we go. Yeah.
Oh, it's a bit
You
scratched.
can't see it, it's a bit ringed. You broke it.
What that red light, man?
Doesn't even tell us that. I was broken out.
Fuck, oh, no. You got a hammer. Wait, fix it. Yeah, that ain't coming on though.
No.
That one.